Deronda here with Foods 101. Today, I'm going to show you how to make almond flour bread. Gluten-free, simple and easy to do, yet gut healthy. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm using a Himalayan salt, 1/4 of a cup of chia seeds. I use the organic chia seeds, and 4 large eggs at room temperature. First, we're going to mix all our dry ingredients. So I'm adding my baking powder and salt with the chia seeds. With a whisk, we're going to whisk these 4 ingredients until they're well blended. It doesn't take long. We can sit this off to the side. In an additional bowl, I'm adding my 4 eggs that are at room temperature, the almond milk, and the melted butter. Or like I said, you can use melted coconut oil. Back with that whisk, we're going to break up those egg yolks, and we're going to whisk these 3 ingredients until they're well blended. And at this point, you want your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients all at once. Use a spatula. I love how it gets all your ingredients out of your bowl. Gradually bring in your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients until it's just blended. It won't take long. And looking like this. I have an 8x4 loaf pan that I've lined with parchment paper. I just go north, south, and then I add a piece going east and west. We're gradually going to add our almond flour bread mixture and work it in here from corner to corner until you get a nice even layer. And be sure that you get it all off your spatula. Don't leave any behind. And then you can just even out the top. If you get a little piece over here in your parchment paper, just wipe it off because you don't want any part of your almond flour burning. Now we're going to tap it so we can get rid of all those air bubbles. Now this is off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Use your timer and no peeking. 30 minutes are up and let's check on our bread. Pull it out, insert that toothpick. That toothpick comes out clean, so it's time to take our bread out of the oven. Add to a cooling rack and let it cool down for 10 minutes before removing the bread from its baking pan. After 10 minutes, we're going to lift our almond bread out of its baking pan. It's important that you do this because you don't want your bread sweating in your baking pan. You see the steam coming off there? And you can see the moisture. And we're just going to let it cool down completely. And it smells so yummy. Remove the bottom. See how lovely and golden that is? And then we're going to let it cool down for 1 hour before slicing into it. And I can't wait. The bread is completely cool. With a knife with serrated edges, those little teeth there, I'm going to cut into it. Gives you a nice smooth cut. And looky there on the inside. Now, that looks fantastic, and woo, it smells so yummy. And let's cut into it. Gotta give it a try. Here goes. Wow. Tastes like a healthy nut bread. A little butter would be nice on there, or a little almond butter, or it would be lovely toasted with cream cheese and jams and jellies. Wow, a fantastic gluten-free almond bread. Absolutely delicious. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. I can't wait to even toast the bread with eggs over easy, a nice bowl of soup. It'll be perfect. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching, you all. Catch you lovely people later.